and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be learning how to blend brilliant red and white. I love these two colors. Red is my favorite color and I've got these colors from Vincent & Newton. This is, I think, their student range. So I'm using acrylic paper, which is about 440 GSM, and I'm using some masking tape to pin it down on my cutting board, and then we will use the colors from the tube directly and do this. I really love painting with acrylics. It is just so soothing and it's a very forgiving medium, because if you make a mistake, you just have to wait for it to completely dry, and after that, good to go. You can just create a completely new painting on top of it if you want. So the little liquid you can see near the blob of the red on the top is basically a protective liquid fluid that they add in the tube. So don't worry if that's part of your painting. It will just merge with everything. But if you're very particular, you can just use a tissue and dab it. So I'm doing these strokes with my flat brush, which is going left to right and making sure that my red covers the entire area on top. And you will notice when it starts blending with the white, you will get these beautiful brush strokes, and that are so important. So you can decide if you want a completely smooth blend or you want like a mixed blend where you want some brush strokes to be seen. So I personally like some brush strokes to be seen if I'm going to be doing an interesting background. Like at this point, you can leave it. It looks amazing. If you want to do a little more and make it completely smooth, then you go further and further, and you will notice how my entire blend becomes extremely smooth. So there are a lot of ways that you can use your brush to do these details. So since I've been doing this for many years, I'm able to use the same brush to continue in without washing it in the middle. But I would still recommend you to keep washing your brush in the middle and making sure there's not too much of paint in it. Otherwise the colors will mix with each other and it'll become really a little dirty. It'll not be too smooth. So this is how it looks once it's dry. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you, and if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing to it and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I put up a new video, and I will see you soon for the next video. Bye bye.